Hello everyone, my name is Khan Shoeb and I have joined the Sparks Foundation, the Data Science and Business Analytics intern. In this internship, I got a task of prediction using supervised machine learning. In this task, I have to predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based on the number of hours studied. And we have also to predict the score if a student studies 9.2 hours a day. For this task, we have to import the required libraries like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. Now we have to import the data which is provided by the Sparks Foundation, and we read the data. To see the top 5 rows of the data, we will use head function. Data.shape gives the number of rows and columns present in our data set. We can also get more information about the data by using info and describe function. Now we have to check for null values in our data. You can see here there is no null value in our data. We can proceed further for the visualization. We plot hours on the x-axis and marks scored on the y-axis. From the graph, we can clearly see that there is a positive correlation between hours and score, which means that as the number of hours increasing, the marks obtained is also increases. We can also confirm it by using correlation function, which gives us there is a correlation between hours and score, and the coefficient of correlation is 0.976. The next step is to separate the data into inputs and outputs. We store our hours studies value in x variable and the marks obtained in y variable. These are the hours studied and these are the marks obtained. Now we have to split the data for training and testing. We will use train test split function from the scikit-learn and assign test size 0.2, which is 20% of the data will be used for testing the model, and the remaining will be used for training the model. We will import the linear regression from the scikit-learn and fit a line of regression in our data, which is basically an imaginary line for which the difference between the line and the data points are minimum. Before testing the model, let's see the actual score for the test data, and the predicted score for the same test data is here. We can see that there is a difference between the predicted and the actual. We can compare it. So these are the actual score and these are the predicted score. To evaluate the error, we will use mean absolute error from the scikit-learn, and this gives the mean absolute error of 4.183. Now we have to predict the score if a student studies 9.25 hours a day, and our model predicts that their score would be 93.69%. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment below. That will be helpful for me. Thank you.